What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Now, in today's video, I will be showing you guys how I did my passion twist. This is my first time doing passion twists using the crochet rubber band method, and I absolutely love how they came out. It's giving me a whole bohemian vibe. It's a cute, simple, affordable, protective hairstyle that you can do at home. What I liked about the rubber band method was that it helped me keep a neat parting space. And also, since my hair is short, TWA strong, my hair is a lot shorter in the back, so I just needed that grip, and the rubber bands helped me achieve that. So if you want to know how I achieved this hairstyle, then let's get into this video.
Little.
The hair I'm using is Outre Twisted Up Passion Bohemian Curl in 24 inches. I picked up 6 packs from the beauty supply store for about $6.99. And for each passion twist, I'm using 3 crochet pieces. I'm just running my hands through each of the curls just to kind of frizz it up a little bit, give it a messy look. All right, so that's what we rocking with. Take it through, and I latch it onto the hook, and then close the hook, pull it through, grab the center of it, pull it through, and then I'll tighten it. Tighten it, and then I section the hair off in half. And because my hair is short and I don't want it to be noticeable, obviously, I'm gonna use some of my beeswax, and as I'm twisting, just apply some of the beeswax on each section. So I've got it on my hand. I'm gonna apply some of the leave-in conditioner just to kind of soften it up a little bit. Looks like I'm holding a rope. So here's another way I attach the hair. So on some sections, instead of making a knot like I showed in the first clip, once I pulled the hair through with my crochet needle, I would just pull the other half of the loop through to the other side. Both methods help keep my twist secure. I get towards the end, I take a little bit of my Ecco Styler Gel and twirl it around my finger just to lock in the twist.
Little.
So side one is done. I'm ready to tackle side number 2. So I'm all done, but I want to just take the Cream of Nature mousse and just put it on this side. This is just gonna hold the twist a little bit more. Alright, so that is it for this video. I hope it helped you out if you wanted to know how to do passion twist yourself. Very cute, simple, giving me a whole bohemian vibe. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more videos from me. And I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out, guys.